Welcome to GPUSims. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simulation step by step. First, place GPUSims and AI side by side. In the GPUSims window, click the Start Building button. Click Copy AI System Prompt button. Paste the system prompt into the AI chat window. Ask the AI to read the system prompt. In the AI chat window, describe the simulation you want to create. Ask the AI to create a schema for your simulation. Copy the schema created by AI. Paste the schema into GPUSims window. Click the Copy Shader Skeleton button. Paste the shader skeleton into the AI chat. Ask the AI to complete the shader code. Copy the completed shader code from the AI chat. Paste the shader code into GPUSims window. Click Run Simulation button. The simulation starts. Click the thumbnail button to load the thumbnail image. Click the Edit Article button. Ask the AI to write the article. Copy the AI-generated article. Paste the article into GPUSims window. Enter a title for the simulation. Select an AI model. Click the Publish button. View a published simulation. Thanks for watching. You're now ready to start creating simulations with GPUSims.